In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your Pinterest pins by showing you how to delete a pin from your profile. This process is simple and straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, you want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Pinterest. Once you're there, if you haven't already, log into your account. This is key because accessing your profile gives you the ability to manage all your personal boards and pins. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the web page. Simply enter your credentials and hit the login button. Upon successful login, you'll land on your home feed, which is filled with inspiring content tailored to your interests. But today, we aren't here to browse. We're on a mission to tidy up, so let's continue. Next, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon, usually found in the same area where you logged in. This icon will take you straight to your profile page. Once you're at your profile, you'll see various tabs like boards, pins, tries, and more, depending on the activities you engage with on Pinterest. What we want to do now is focus on your pins, so click on the Pins tab. This action will bring up a grid showcasing all your saved pins. Each pin represents an idea, a product, or an inspiration you've pinned from the web. Now, scanning through your collection, decide which pin you'd like to delete. Hover over that particular pin to reveal additional options. You should see a small pencil icon or an edit option appearing once you hover over it. Click on this edit option. This will open up the pin details where you have the ability to edit various aspects of your pin, like its description or which board it belongs to. However, today our goal is to delete it entirely. Once you're in the pin details page, look closely at the bottom for the delete option. It might appear in red or a standout color to easily attract your attention. Clicking on delete doesn't immediately remove the pin. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Remember, deletions on Pinterest are permanent. Confirm that you wish to remove the pin from your collection by clicking delete once more on the confirmation dialog box. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. And there you go, your pin is now permanently deleted from your Pinterest. And just like that, you've successfully managed to delete a pin from your profile. This can be useful for decluttering your boards, managing personal interests, or simply doing a content refresh. Once you've completed these steps, you'll find your profile a bit more streamlined. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other pins you'd like to remove. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. Be sure to tune in next time for more helpful Pinterest tips and tricks.